Hi, today we have come with a review of this one more product. It's a West Viking face mask with activated carbon filter, and it has a PM 2.5 filters in it, and it's a pretty good product. It can filter out 2.5 micron products. So it can be used for coronavirus and also COVID-19 while you are walking outside or you are taking a ride in the bicycle. Let's open it and see. It came in a very good service from Singapore, and it is made of this nice material. See, it's like this. This is for the nose clips, and these are two valves. There is a filter inside which filters the pollution and other stuff. It has two exhalation valves, and inside you can see it has this proper filter. Now this is a proper filter which is used for coronavirus and COVID-19, and this can be replaced also. Because the surgical mask and other mask people are using, they are not very good product. So this is the proper product, and it's made by a company called West Viking. It's made of mesh material. You can see it's black and it has different colors. It's also called diving fabric, the one they use in the water, in the seas while diving underwater. The mask can be used for more than 2 years, but the filter is recommended to be replaced after every 30 days. When you are using it in a polluted area, the filter will become black or it will change color. So it's always better, it's recommended to change in 2 days when it becomes really bad or you are using it in a really dirty area. It also comes with two filters. These are spare filters. It came from, the price is about $8 and it's coming from Singapore. Very good quality material. So and it has this futuristic kind of design with this strap. You open it and you close it very easily, and the filter can be changed inside. It's also recommended that when you use this mask for the first time, the filter should be soaked in warm water, so that if there are any smells or anything, it goes away. So it's carbon dustproof mask also, and it can filter out chemicals, smoke, particles, and it's very easy to use. It has a purifying respirator, as you can see on the front. It's a good reason to buy activated carbon mask because it cleans the air very effectively, and there are two or more styles. One is this style, and then there are also some other styles and colors, but the principle is the same. And it has a soft, comfortable nose clip that is easily to use. made of aluminum material, and it has a rapid airflow air valve system. It can be used, and it has these earlobe straps which are easily put on the ears, and you just put it on your face. If you have any more questions, I will be happy to answer them. And these are now very easy to get nowadays, because PM 2.5 is the main ingredient for the coronavirus mask. But overall, I would say that it's a very comfortable mask, and they are also affordable, and they are just like N95 mask, and these are one of the top performing masks for COVID-19 and air pollution. PM 2.5 refers to the percentage of polluted the mask can filter out polluted particles which are 2.5 micron size, and I will say it's a good product. If you have any more questions, you can ask me. Thank you very much and have a nice day.